Maps and ratios with maps are sets of questions that students in general really struggle with. In this particular question, it's very, very typical in an exam. We have an area on a map of 12 centimeters squared. So I'm just going to underline that. Yeah, we have an area of 12 centimeters squared on a map. The ratio is 1 to 40,000, which means that 1 mile is 40,000 miles, or 1 centimeter is 40,000 centimeters, from map to real life. And the most important thing that students miss is the units in real life. So I have 12 centimeters squared area, the ratio is 1 to 40,000, and in real life I want to know how much it is in kilometers squared. You can try and do it all in one go if you want, but that overcomplicates things. The easiest way to do it is to draw your map, and that has 12 centimeters squared. So, for example, it doesn't matter the units you choose. You can choose 3 and 4, 6 and 2. I'm going to do 1 and 12, and it is always best just to do 1 and 12. It just makes things really simple. Now I'm going to convert this into real life. So that was the map. This now, we'll call it R.L. This is real life. The ratio is 1 to 40,000. So 1, that'd be 1 centimetre, would be 40,000 centimetres. And 12 centimetres would be 480,000 centimetres. It's 12 times bigger. That's what this is in real life. So you can multiply these together, get it in centimetres squared, and then divide. But actually the easiest thing to do is convert these centimetres into kilometres now, and then you can work out kilometres squared. It's far, far simpler that way. So convert it first into metres. There are 100 centimetres in a metre, so I divide this by 100. So I get 400 metres, and I get 4,800 metres. And that then allows you to convert that into kilometres as well. This would be 0.4 kilometres, and this would be 4.8 kilometres. So now all you need to do, get your calculator, multiply them together. 0.4 times 4.8, which on your calculator gives you 1.92 kilometres squared. And that's your final answer. If you want to do it algebraically, what you can do is you can take your 12 centimetres squared, you can times it by the ratio twice, and the reason we do that is that we convert each length. You see we've multiplied it once here and once here, so we do it twice, and I divide by the conversion, which in this case is 100 and 1,000, so it's 100,000 squared. And if you do that, you will get the same answer. But my advice would be to use this method because it's really easy and simple. This has a lot of potential errors, especially here when you're trying to convert centimetres into kilometres, and remembering that it's squared as well.